Can you believe it's something that seems like it should just be thrown away? Can actually become a miracle remedy to make hair stronger and shinier, even when you have already passed the age of 70. In the previous video, I shared with you the wonderful benefits of aloe vera gel for the skin. In this video, we will explore together a part that few people expect, that is the aloe peel and its wonderful uses for the hair, from nourishing the scalp to making the hair stronger and shinier. Aloe vera is likened to a natural treasure with hundreds of valuable nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is precisely the secret to healthy beauty. Not only does it help to soothe, moisturize, fight inflammation, and restore the skin, aloe vera also nourishes the hair from root to tip, giving you healthy skin and hair that is shiny and strong every day. Let's explore this secret together right now to see what aloe peel can do for our hair. First, cut the aloe peel into small, neat pieces to make it easier to use for the next steps. Not only good for the skin, aloe vera is also the companion of the hair. The nutrients in it help to nourish the hair roots, reduce breakage, and at the same time, balance the moisture of the scalp, thereby limiting dandruff and stimulating the hair to grow thicker and stronger. This is exactly the reason aloe vera has always been considered an indispensable ingredient in the field of beauty and natural health care. When mentioning aloe vera, many people often only think about the cool, clear flesh inside the leaf, while unintentionally forgetting the green outer peel. In reality, the aloe peel also contains a lot of beneficial nutrients, especially when it comes to hair care. First of all, the aloe peel is rich in antioxidants and natural antibacterial compounds. When extracted or blended, they help clean the scalp, remove accumulated dirt bacteria and excess oil. This not only reduces dandruff and itching, but also helps the hair follicles become clear, thereby stimulating the hair to grow faster and stronger. After cutting into small pieces, put all the aloe peel into a clean and dry jar. Aloe peel can truly bring miraculous effects for hair that is often frizzy and easily broken. The recipe that I am about to prepare is truly a wonderful savior. After having tried countless different hair care methods, no method could surpass this one. It has helped my hair grow noticeably faster, become stronger each day, and the change in softness, as well as in hair texture, is really hard to put into words. And how about you? Have you ever applied any hair care methods before? Please share your experience in the comments below so that we can all learn more great tips together. Another notable point is the strong moisturizing ability. Aloe peel contains a thin layer of gel along with many polysaccharides, effective water-retaining substances. When applied to the hair, it forms a protective layer that helps the hair retain moisture, longer limiting frizz and breakage. Especially for dry hair or hair that is frequently exposed to chemicals, using aloe peel will help restore natural softness and elasticity. With the above benefits, aloe peel is no longer the part to throw away, but is actually a valuable source of material that helps nourish the hair from root to tip, bringing natural and lasting beauty. In natural hair care recipes, the combination of thyme, aloe vera, and vinegar is considered a precious secret that helps the hair become strong, shiny, and the scalp always clean. This recipe takes advantage of the power of herbs and natural fermentation, bringing clear effects without the need for chemical products. First, put 2 tablespoons of dried thyme leaves into the jar. Speaking of thyme, this plant is known for its natural antibacterial and antifungal ability. When used for hair, thyme helps clean the scalp, prevent dandruff, and at the same time stimulates blood circulation, thereby promoting the hair follicles to develop stronger. That is why, since ancient times, thyme has been applied in many folk remedies as a secret to reduce hair loss and to nourish hair to become thicker and shinier. The special highlight in this recipe is vinegar. With its mild acidity, apple cider vinegar can balance the scalp's pH, tighten the hair cuticles, thereby bringing shine and reducing frizz. At the same time, apple cider vinegar also helps clean away excess oil and dirt clinging to the hair, creating an ideal environment for hair to grow. Gently shake the mixture evenly. When the ingredients blend, the recipe becomes more balanced and gentler. The mixture can provide moisture, soothe an irritated scalp, and at the same time add enzymes and vitamins that help restore dry and damaged hair strands. Thanks to this, the hair not only grows stronger, but also becomes soft, silky, and naturally shiny. Place the jar in a dry, cool location for approximately 20 days, allowing the nutrients from the thyme and aloe to infuse into the vinegar slowly. The longer it is left, the more concentrated the mixture becomes, and the more effective it is for hair care. After about 20 days of infusing, simply strain the mixture through a sieve to remove the residue. And just like that, you have a natural preparation ready to use for supporting healthy and beautiful hair. The way to use it is extremely simple. After washing your hair clean with a gentle shampoo, dilute the solution using about 2-3 tablespoons of infused vinegar with 1 cup of water. Use this mixture as the final rinse, combined with gently massaging the scalp for 3 to 5 minutes so that the nutrients absorb deeply. After that, let the hair dry naturally without rinsing again with water, and you will feel your hair free of dandruff, stronger and much shinier. If you are experiencing dandruff, this natural rinse will help clearly reduce dandruff while also making the hair root stronger. With consistent use, you will see your hair becoming increasingly healthy, soft, smooth, and naturally shiny. Apply this recipe 1 to 2 times per week, and you will feel your hair become strong with reduced breakage, while at the same time the scalp is clean, clear, and more balanced. This is a simple but effective solution, especially suitable for those who want to care for their hair naturally and safely, while still achieving clear results. If you are someone who loves natural beauty, who wants to nourish strong and healthy hair, even when age has reached the milestone of 50, 60, or 70, then this recipe will definitely be a trustworthy companion. Remember that strong, healthy hair not only brings confidence, but is also a symbol of vitality and an optimistic spirit. Natural recipes not only help with beauty, but also bring relaxation and joy when we take care of our own bodies. Therefore, spend a few minutes each week to apply them, and you will see the difference not only in the hair and skin, but also in a spirit that is lighter and more comfortable. If you find this video useful, please press like, share with your friends, and don't forget to follow so you don't miss other natural tips. Leave a comment with the number 1 if you'd like me to share more new recipes, or with the word yes if you will try it right away.